Doing an unboxing. I got this from Donia Stroke Talks, and let's see what's in here. See, I'll go through it in a minute. Let me see. Oops. Oopsie. Yep. So this is what I got. They're actually planters for more plants for my garden. If you haven't seen my garden video yet, yeah, go ahead and take a look. But yeah, so let's kind of go through this and see what we got. Stay tuned. We'll get it all together, and yeah, let's stay tuned. I was waiting for this package to come. It came while I was gone. So, to my surprise, we got dill, we got cilantro, we got parsley, and we have eucalyptus seeds. Wow. Okay. And then I have these pots. I guess the starter pots. They come with these little, I guess, strainers, I guess. That goes inside. I guess they must be to fit inside the pot like this. Let's see, it has some little feet in there, so if you look down there, it has 4 posts. So I imagine the posts are for those feet, something like that. And then I need to plant each one somewhere. So, let's see what the card says. Thank you very much. That's a classy card. That is a classy card. And this is thank you from Donia. Donia is one of my YouTube subscribers, and she does reviews and auctions, resells, things like that on YouTube. So I ordered those from her, and so I am going to have a pretty big garden. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8 pots. 8 more pots. That garden's going to be pretty big indoors in a minute. Okay, thank you.